Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2017 MINI Clubman from your mobile phone. All we have to do, we'll go to music. There's a record here. If you look at the bottom, just to make sure MINI 06321 comes up, let me just. So you've got iPhone and MINI 06321. The tick's next to MINI. That means anything, any music that plays, any audio from this phone will play through the system if you have it set up right. So what you need to do now is go over to media, click media, and it's already on Bluetooth audio. Now if it wasn't, let's just click sideways back there. There's arrow there and there's an arrow there. If we click back, so click on media, you'll see there connections. There's a tick next to Barry's iPhone 15. So anything playing on here will come through the speakers in here. I'm just gonna knock it back. I'm gonna put it on auxiliary. That's on auxiliary. We'll go back. The pierces are playing here. We go to media. It's on aux, not playing the music like we want to. So what do? I click media again. You've got external devices there with a tick. Click on external devices. It now brings up the menu, and we want Barry's iPhone 15. Click on Barry's iPhone 15. That's the record playing. Turn it up. And it's a great sound system too. So that's the Bluetooth audio.